All right, I'm in a 2021 G wagon. It's a 463 body, and we're going to reset the service. So I'm going to push the button to run the first ignition. Okay. You're going to want to hit the home button to make sure you're on trip. And on trip, you got to make sure that you're on the main odometer. Okay. We're just going to hold this down for 1.5 seconds. So I'm going to hold this down 1.5 and then push the other button. As I push the other button, this menu is going to pop up. Then we can turn the key on, and I can scroll down to Assist Plus, Full Service, and I'm using the scroll and I'm pushing the button. Okay. Then I'm going to go to Confirm Service, and the oil grade I use is 229.52. You can find that spec on the oil bottles. All right, what that does is you can use either one. It'll just set the maintenance mileage in the dash, but in USA, it should go no longer than 10,000 miles no matter which one you pick. So go 52, carry it out, yes. I'm using the button again, confirm, and full service carried out. And then we can use the back button to get out of there. And you'll also notice that while you're in here, you now have the workshop menu next to service, okay? Or if I turn the key off, open the door, close the door, put the ignition back on, press home, there is no workshop, all right? So let's do that again really quick. First key button, you can tell because just the airbag light pops on. All right, so I'm gonna hold this down for 1.5 seconds, touch the other button, and the menu pops up. All right, that's where you also go for your brake pad replacement and stuff. Okay, hope this helps.